This is the most powerful thing in the world. One of the longest-range intercontinental ballistic missiles. It can be delivered within 30 minutes. Global any goal. Launch 10 to 16 nuclear warheads. The amount of steel per nuclear warhead, 50 times the size of the little boy bomb dropped on Hiroshima. This is the Sarmat intercontinental ballistic missile. Sarmat is 35.3 meters long. It's 3 meters in diameter. It can go from the silo or launch from a moving vehicle. The missile launch process is complicated. The president is needed before launch, or military leaders, according to strategic needs, decided to verify the launch. After the launch decision was made, the launch order will be sent to the launch control center. The command will be fully encrypted. The technician then receives the order. Will be verified by security code. If you verify that the two codes are consistent, verified, the technician will hit the coordinates of the target, input into the missile's guidance system. The guidance system calculates the optimum time for the missile to reach its target. Then the launcher will transfer the two keys, insert launch console, and turn to activate the missile launch system. Check it one last time. If all goes well, launcher will press the red button on the launch pad to ignite and launch. First, the first stage of the missile's engine will ignite, launch the missile from the silo. Missile will fly to the target point under the control of the guidance system. At the outset of the flight, missile, it is through the adjustment of the direction of the universal joint engine to change the trajectory of the missile. Waiting missile. When you reach an altitude of 50 kilometers, the first stage of the missile will detach, and then the second stage fires. Boosted by a two-stage rocket, the flight speed has reached Shimmek. 10 minutes later, Episode 2, rocket separation. And then in Episode 3, the rocket fires. The third episode of the rockets. The missile is propelled to an altitude of 1,000 kilometers. It can go up to Mach 20 at this point, and go on a cruise. Gas thrusters in the front of the missile. The missile will be fine-tuned to control its direction and trajectory. 30 minutes later, missile reaches terminal flight point. The third episode of the rocket separates. Then the protective cover on the front end of the missile will open. Then multiple nuclear warheads are exposed. Each nuclear warhead contains a nuclear bomb inside, a guidance system and propulsion system. And each nuclear warhead can follow its own path. Independent flight. When the nuclear warhead is 100 kilometers above the ground, re-entry into the atmosphere, the nuclear warhead will be precisely filtered. Fly to different goals. The guidance system constantly adjusts the accuracy of the missile to detonate a nuclear warhead as it approaches the target, and with tremendous explosive power, cause massive damage. Thanks for watching.